If you are not quite ready in your growing zone to start sowing things for your spring and summer garden like tomatoes or cucumbers, for example, you might still be antsy to get started with something right now. And February is a great month to sow a few things to kind of help you come out of your seed sowing dormancy. So here are a few of my suggestions for vegetables that you can start from seed this month. Lettuce is great to start from seed now because now that we are getting more light during the days, the seeds should be able to germinate quickly, and you can harvest a few rounds of lettuce before the weather gets too hot where the lettuce may start to bolt. Bunching onions or green onions are a great thing to start in February from seed because they are fast growers, and once they're started, you can keep harvesting them pretty much non-stop, and they can make a great addition to so many dishes. Similarly, chives would also be good to start now too from seed, and like the bunching onions, they can make great companion plants and deter pests. So by establishing them now, they will be ready to go when you're ready to start transplanting your spring and summer garden. It's also not too late to get a few more rounds of peas in. They are relatively quick growers and can help add nitrogen back into the soil, so if you have the space, growing peas would be a great option. Radishes come in so many different varieties, and some can grow faster than others, so if you want something quick to go with your lettuce in salads, then choose fast-growing varieties like the Saxa 2, French Breakfast, or 18-Day. While carrots don't grow as quickly as radishes, you can still start some carrot seeds now to have them ready by early summer. Root vegetables can take some patience, but they are well worth it in the end, especially if you try different varieties, because there are some neat varieties that you can start from seed that you likely won't be able to find at the store. I have had mixed luck growing carrots, but my best luck has been with shorter or smaller varieties such as Babette, Oxart, and Uzbek Golden. Beets are another root vegetable that I suggest starting from seed in February if you haven't already, especially in milder climates because they thrive in cooler weather and can tolerate light frosts. Even if you still have heavy frosts on the horizon, you can start beet seeds indoors and transplant them later, but just be very careful because transplanting root vegetables can be tricky. I suggest using soil blocks for beet seeds or using soft, permeable seed starting cups that you can plant directly in the ground when you're ready. These are just a few of my personal suggestions of vegetable seeds that you can start in February, and hopefully if you took the winter off from gardening or seed starting, this will be a good warm-up for the upcoming spring and summer gardening season.